Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Mahian Jalil. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you how can you go to desktop icon in your latest computer Windows 10. So let's get started. First we have to go desktop settings. Okay, I am going to settings. After that you have to go personalization, and then you have to go themes. You scroll down. Now you can find desktop icon settings. After that you can select users file names, then computer, and apply. Okay, now you can see here is it. Okay, here you go. Okay, that's it. I want to do something new and better. So many problems we face daily. I want to show you how can we solve those problems easily in a smart way within a short time. I am trying to give you some tips and tricks about this matter. So if you are interested, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Do like, comment and share with your friends and family.